Hi everyone, welcome to Isaac Crypto. Also in this video we will discuss about OMNI coin. In the last 24 hours OMNI pumped more than 24%. So in this video I will give you an exact entry price, where to buy OMNI, where to sell OMNI coin. So I'm opening OMNI chart in trading view. OMNI, yeah, I found it. It's launched at 2024 at $27, and people who bought at the top lower here, $31, $28, they lose their money. It dropped badly like this, and after it bottom out here, wait, I have to zoom the chart, and it bottom out here around $1. People who bought at the top, they lose their money. Remember one thing, in crypto there is many ways to lose your money, only two ways to make the money. One's buy after the breakout, and another one is buy at the bottom. So before going to more deep dive on this token, I want to see the fundamental of this token. I'm searching OMNI on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, found it. It's top 259 most valuable cryptocurrency over million. Market cap 166 million, ain't much. All-time high was $29 and all-time low was $1.37. It's made in American project, also Binance ecosystem. So this can go huge in this cycle, but we have to play professionally. If you want to buy here or thinking to buy here OMNI, the probability of losing money is high, because this coin pumped almost 200x from the bottom, sorry, more than 300x. So now it will came down for a retest like this. Like this, you can buy at here around $3.2 here, and you can put your stop loss at 3.31, and you can expect your TP here around $5. I think this will go hard in this bull run. In this bull run it can go almost $40, but we have to play professionally. So buy this zone, or another one is buy after the breakout point here above $29 here, and it will go parabolic after reclaim this zone. So if you want to buy after the breakout, you can buy here around $30 and put your stop loss at $26, and you can expect minimum $60 from here after the breakout. So that's it for today's video. If you want daily insight, do subscribe our channel. Peace.